Hi everyone, I'm going to use your health task from today to give some examples of how to work on a virtual worksheet. So, if you have more than one task in a virtual assignment, all you have to do is take your mouse over to the side and click on the different slides to move back and forth between them. Now, when you're filling out a virtual worksheet, you're probably going to have one of these two tasks. You're either going to have to drag and drop something to make a match or to show your thinking, or you're going to have to tap and type to share your answer. So, first, I'm going to show you how to tap and type your answer. Question number two here says choose words from the box to fill in the blanks. Do not stand near a bus in the danger. Oh, I know it's the danger zone. So what I'm going to do is put my mouse over this line and I can see that it goes from becoming a little mouse to this kind of cross. That shows me that there's a text box there. What I'm going to do is click once to make the text box appear, and then I'm going to double click inside the text box to make this little line show up. When you see that little line, that means the text box is ready for you to type in it. So now I can type in the word zone. When you're finished typing, remember to take your mouse off of the box and click somewhere else on the page. So that way you're not going to continue typing in the box and you can do your next task. The next question says, on sunny days, you need to wear a sun hat, and I see there's a line there, so I know that that means that there's going to be a spot for me to write my answer. So I'm going to put my mouse over top again, make sure that it looks like this little cross, click it to make the box appear, and then double click. On sunny days, I need to wear a sun hat and sunscreen, so I'm going to use my keypad to type in sunscreen. Now that I'm done my words, same as before, I need to click off of the text box. So now I can edit the next question. I'm going to do this one more time, putting my mouse over top until I see the little cross, clicking on it once to make the box appear, and then clicking 2 times fast to give myself a line to type. You should not bring food with nuts to school. Now that I'm done, I'm clicking off. If you make a mistake and you accidentally grab your box and take it with you, it's no big deal. All you need to do is put your mouse back over top until you see that little cross again. You're going to press and hold on to it, and then you can move it back. Now that it's back, I'm going to click off, and I can move on to my next task. On this page, you have some questions where you're going to be dragging and dropping something to show your answer. So over here, we can see that Miss Evans has given you a whole bunch of X's and circles. I'm going to read the question to see what I need to do with them. X, the things you should not touch. So I know I'm going to be using these X's, so I'm going to use the X's the same way that I found the text box. I'm going to look at my mouse and wait for it to turn into a cross. That means I'm over top of the X and I can click it now. Click it once to select it. And then when you see that cross in the middle, you're going to press and hold and pull it over until you like where it is. And then when you let go, it will be there showing your answer. If you make a mistake and you accidentally pull the box, all you have to do is put your mouse back over that spot, wait until you get an arrow, and then you can pull it back to fit. If you make a big mistake, like say I took this and threw it all the way over here, another thing you can do is go up to the top, find the undo arrow, so it looks like a little backwards arrow. Click that once, and it will erase the move you just made. I'm going to do one more. Things you should not touch. Well, I know I can touch a toy, so I don't need an X for that. Stoves aren't safe. I'm going to need an X for that one, so I'm going to do this again. I go over to my X until I see that it has the cross over top. Click it once to select, and then hold down my mouse to pull it over to the word stove. So yeah, that's how you type on an interactive worksheet and how you drag and drop.